Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to show you the birds in our garden. You could see so many birds in my garden, and we are also noticing the new type of birds coming every day, which was very great. The kind of atmosphere that we are creating in our OSR feels me so happy. The birds have a nested place here. The number of birds count also growing, and they could able to feel the food. See, this place is not only for us, right? As a humans we have to create the environment which can be sustainable even for the small creatures. You could able to hear the bird sound, which is the new bird came to our OSR area, and that sound is so mesmerizing. When I woke up in the morning and listening that particular sound, I feel so happy and then energized. Hope you were able to feel that particular sound. It was so awesome. You could see the squirrel. We have a squirrels as well. So the birds count is growing, as I mentioned earlier.